I'm your host, Nicole Moore. This week on Reality of Love.
Hi, my name is Garrett Morosky. I'm known for the reality TV show F-Boy Island.
I was a grenade on Too Hot to Handle season 2.
I feel like F-Boy is just like someone selfish and emotionally unavailable on purpose.
Train the dog and then it will become a reformed F-Boy, a man.
In sex, we're often not exactly coming first or putting ourselves first.
I used to like fake orgasms a lot.
I deserve a daytime Emmy for the number of times that guys think that they have blown my mind.
Nobody's ever made me come before.
Are you ready for the sexiest show on TV?
Being a stripper I had so much fun.
You're not a bad bitch until you're wearing an ankle monitor, let's be honest.
I don't want people to know that I'm hurting.
I used to have a notes section in my phone.
Did you put a rating by them like 5?
Oh God, that's such a you never want to have sex with a guy again.
Reality of Love. Every Thursday on Bespoke TV.